right, so we have the Jake and Ilya litter. Mommies. They are 4 weeks old yesterday. This is their first time in the play yard with of their working knowledge. Hi. Hey. And this is their first week of foods. Hi, babies. Good job. Good girl, good boy, huh? Good job. So our first foods are some home-brewed whole milk kefir. We've got beef liver, we've got ground bone-in chicken, we've got ground beef, we have chicken giblets, heart.
So green.
That's the spirulina and the organic kelp that we add in there. And then there's also quite literally a Utah shale. It's a dirt, but it's a food grade dirt that has a bunch of rare earth minerals in it, in case the food that our food eats is lacking in nutrition. Hi, babies. And so then this week we intentionally try to startle them so that they get their food reward for their outstanding bravery. And we also bang on some metal, do a bunch of other stuff, but it's not out here. So I got my hands out here. Got a jug of rocks that we shake at them. Just whatever we can do to make them stable. Hi, babies. I know. Good job, guys. This is a repeat breeding. They're just adorable family protectors. They're really nice dogs. The girls generally are around 75, 80 pounds. The boys are 90 plus. So it's a pretty large breeding, and it's pretty family friendly, huh? Hi, babies. Come here, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, good job. Mama, no name. Come here. Good girl. Oh, that's very nice, huh? You're like, what is that? I never had kibble before. Hi, bud. Good girl. Good job, Mama. You want more? Good job, buddy. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't bite my finger. Just eat the food. Hi, handsome boy. Okay, this is the boy. He's going to be a beast of a boy, huh? You gonna be a big boy? Big and gentle? Big and fierce? What's your destiny? And this is the girl. She is sassy. She's definitely gonna be an excellent barking deterrent because she likes to bark. Huh?
She almost barked.
Yeah, she almost did because you made a weird noise. So she was like, should I bark at you? Okay, you can get down and explore. So this week is all about new things. A new toy daily, a new place daily, a new person. Ha! I know, buddy, but if you just hide under me, nobody can see you. Come here, guys. Hi. Roo. Good job. Come on, Mama. Thank you. Good job, Mama. Oh, excellent. Excellent job, guys. You guys are such good babies.